Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. And Scotty don't get to come back yet. He's coming back on the weekend, but Cowboy is here. And Cowboy looking some Irish potato today. Because of the drought, the Irish didn't bear like we expected. But we still finding Irish. And we have a lot of spoilage as well. So he's digging up. He dug up all of that area there that you're looking at. And we have a whole heap of Irish seeds. Have a whole heap of Irish potato seed to plant back. Whole heap of seeds. And all of this area here, he dug up. Look at the amount of spoiled Irish. Realize we have worm too. So now we know going forward what to expect. It's the first time I'm planting Irish potato. Yeah. And over here we have a crate. We got a crate over here. You see that? That's one full crate of Irish potatoes. And as I said, they're a bit small, but we know going forward exactly how to do it. First time planting, and we get a whole lot of Irish potato seeds to plant back, so we can plant even bigger portion of land. So we have a few big ones in there, and a whole lot of seeds. So this is my Irish potato harvest. Yeah. All right, so let me go over this side because I have some cocoa over here. Whole heap of cocoa. But boy, the drought is on them. The drought is on them. Over here, we had gotten some Irish from over here. We reaped them already. So the Irish from that I got from the UK. So that's the cocoa. That's Cowboy reaping the Irish. And we're going to have to wheel and come again with everything. Gonna have to wheel and come again. Well guys, I found this melon on the farm. I'm gonna try it out. And the string beans are actually coming along. Rains fall yesterday and they have surprisingly changed and even start to bear already. So I'm hoping to get some good string beans out of this crop. You can see that section over there. Those string beans are just coming up. So by the time we reap off this section, we can go over there and reap. Plus there's another section at the top that we have some string beans as well. I am happy to see that it's bearing lots of blossom. Yes, this is a nice melon, and now we're heading over to where we planted the sweet potatoes. So this would be the section of the farm that we will have to fence around. I had somebody chop some of those thorns, kachamaka, to put around it to try to prevent the goats from coming in. It has helped somewhat, but yeah, until I fence it around, I'm not going to plant anything more. So this is the section that I said we had some more string beans. So we planted some string beans here, Some of them have burst, some not quite because of the rain. We're not getting a lot of rains, but I know it will come up soon. So we'll have string beans soon. Alright guys, this was another vlog. Thanks for watching my vlog channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.